Here we are at the Animal World and Snake Farm Zoo in beautiful San Antonio, Texas, off of 35. Let's go ahead and have a look. We got some bait, I guess some food, mealworms and seeds. And we are walking in.
Look at this, we got get one free next time.
Buy one, get one free coupons. Groupon special right now. That's why we're here.
Thank you.
Go ahead, Elliot. Go on.
Dad, what's this real snake?
Oh, yeah. Burmese python, it says. 25 years ago. Ooh.
But no, you didn't do anything wrong. It's just that.
King cobras?
Yeah.
Look at that sweet baby. Hello. Look at that one over there. He's so active. Nah, he looks super cool though.
Ooh.
I want to move a little.
You gonna take some pictures, Elliot?
Oh, the big baby.
Wow. Rattlesnakes.
Wow, look at that one. Striped California king snake.
A Timor python.
He's so beautiful. I want to hug him. Just kidding.
Wow. South Florida yellow rattlesnake.
King snake. That guy's looking right over here.
Look at that one down there. Wow.
Yeah, we saw that one. Ooh, look at this.
I'm just about to. I heard him highlighting.
Whoa.
Look at his face.
You gonna take a picture of that?
Yeah.
He's looking like he wants to strike. An Egyptian cobra.
Can you bring me back a cobra? I want to teach you to dance. Oh, let me see that. It just shedded. Yes, yeah, I didn't appreciate that. It just shedded.
What do you mean?
It's all.
Where's the skin?
I don't even care really because.
I don't think so.
Whoa. It looks pretty fresh.
Oh, there's another one down there.
You
He's like, hey guys, what y'all doing?
taking pictures of you. You're famous. Why do I want to do that?
Skin's coming off. The air shredding.
Wow. Look at that. It's rubbing up against it so he can peel off.
Whoa, Dad, look at
his
the
face.
Look down there. Look at his tail. Oh.
Oh my gosh. Green tree python. Wow, that's so cool. I love the green.
Wow, look at this. Look. What a great shot I took a picture of.
Look, Dad, look. Green tree python.
That green one. That's cool how they're like they're all wrapped up in there and they're probably so comfortable sleeping like that.
Mom, and you finish making that one. I'm looking at my phone.
Look at how that one's just hanging over the branch so perfectly.
Look at his eyes. Wow.
Oh my goodness.
What kind of face is that?
Bunch of them in there. Look at that.
Oh, look,
Whoa, look at his teeth.
and there's also turtles in there.
Whoa, look at big old snapping turtles in there.
Right, look. The most venomous land snake in the world.
Look at this big bro.
Wait, appreciate this.
Whoa, look at this.
It's an Indian python, or inland python. Ooh, what is that?
Shrunken head. That's a real shrunken head.
Cool.
Elliot, come take a picture. This look.
Those are like the turtles we see
Oh,
at KO.
Mom, it's moving.
Yeah, I was just wondering because I know
Look like this.
What
Okay,
does
what's
it say
next?
about those?
Crocodile.
Crocodilians of the USA. Salomon Island Spiny Monitor.
Right
It's
there.
probably a
It's up there,
sweet
Mom.
sound.
No,
Oh
it's up
yeah, it's up there on the branch. You're right. Let me see.
So it looks like it's empty, but they're all the way up there on top.
The iguanas are shedding too.
See?
Yeah, look, up there, he's shedding.
Oh, yeah.
You can barely see them. They're up there.
I hear the rattlesnakes. Where?
Put your face against the. Put your hands
They're
against
fruit
the
bats
glass.
up there in the corner.
Up there at the top.
Oh,
There's a few more hiding behind there.
yeah. Yeah, look.
Look at the big ones in here.
I know.
Whoa.
Oh, yeah. Look, Mom, they're fighting over their food. Oh, they're eating. They're fighting over their food.
Take a picture of that, Elliot.
Hey, fine.
Let me take
Would you want this? No, would you want this?
Can't you like not get the bars? Can't you put the little camera hole up?
Escape. They're like, where the heck do I escape from? And you're like, he's a mountain snake.
Durango mountain pine snake. Wow, look at that.
Anyone's out of there.
And look, the rattle.
Diamondback rattlesnake.
But look at this one, Dad. Look at that little rattler.
Oh, wow.
The white-lipped viper.
No, he was already moving towards the spring.
That one's venomous too. Huh? White-sided black rat snake.
What does this do? Oh, these are turtles.
Where's that tiny snake y'all saw?
Those are
It's over
venomous.
here. Venomous stuff.
All the way down. More.
It's right here. Bring it up.
And it's highly venomous.
Wow. Look at this. Elliot, did you see this one?
Oh, yeah. It's camouflage.
Wow, I didn't see the black in it a minute ago.
It's camouflage.
Maybe it changes colors.
Hi, little baby. No, okay.
They look like big cats. Oh, they're so cute. Look at it, he's stretching.
Wow.
Oh, he's so cute. He's stretching.
That
Must have
way,
been asleep for a long
I
time.
wonder if that. Hello.
They're so cute.
Mom, there's a.
Look at the gecko. I don't see it in there though. Oh, it's on the wall. Oh, that's the lizard from the Geico commercial.
Anything down there?
Car insurance.
Why did you say that?
No. I should say.
Oh. That look, there's a gecko in there.
Dwarf caiman.
So then why did you?
This is the smallest species of all crocodiles. Males average 5, 2, and females average 4 feet.
Dad, do you know where the gecko
Look, he's
is?
coming.
But Dad, look on the bottom. Do you see a gecko?
Where is that? Oh.
Elliot. Not that many down there. Maybe they're hiding under the rock.
I remember there used to be a bunch down here.
I'm hoping.
Give you this big pole and hook. We need to see, first of all, if we can't get that alpha male up out of the water.
Snake pit.
This is his turf, and he doesn't want us in there. The really big guy there. He's just about 12 feet long. So what I like to do, if I'm trying to move him, is lightly tap him on the nose. See if he can pop right in out of the way for us.
Hey! What is this?
I know. This is somewhat safe.
Look at this egg.
Kissing Paul's leg there.
Hey! Iguana!
See if we can't get him out of the water here.
Hey, iguana!
A little more forceful than direct. Nothing to worry about. We do have alligator snapping turtles in the water. Alligator
Look how tiny they are.
the second strongest jaw in the world, so you need to watch out.
Look, there's that little random skin.
Look at that skin up there.
Black mamba? Oh my god.
It would be a little easier for us.
Black mamba from Kill Bill.
Wake up! Wake up,
Smack, that's it. He's got different. We guesstimate him to be 150 years old at least. The reason we can come up with that safe guess is recently
Who is that
snapping
scared of
turtles approximately the size of musket balls in the Civil War. Can't submerge in the water. We got to move the filter into a bucket and manually scoop the water out. But to do that, we got to be able to get in there. And getting in there means moving all those alligators out of the way.
Okay, so
I
we're
don't like
all
a
going in?
toe.
I'm gonna get the power washer.
Sean, come here. Don't just like a
It's up to me and you.
toe.
Grab some.
And that's the one we gotta watch,
You gotta
right?
watch him.
And this one with the mouth open also.
Big boy
Okay,
alone.
so
Leave him
we'll
alone.
start by pushing
Just
him
leave him alone, man.
just
Leave him
like
chill.
this.
Nah, make him look-
He does.
Chat, what feet?
Nah, Mike.
Let me work.
This is...
Alright, buddy. Come on, Sam.
Little guy.
Alright.
Let's see what it says.
Beautiful day.
And only grows to about 12 inches long and weigh about.
So what does he have in there? A little chicken or what is it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dead.
He's got something there.